expensive fucking joint, man.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Dante from GrownGreen here. Got a sealed pack opening for you guys today. There's a mystery box here. We got 3 packs inside, 3 sealed packs and a mystery item in here. I'll pop up the retail price of this, but we'll see what we got inside. I don't know what's gonna be in these packs. I'm guessing they're probably throwaway packs that they just couldn't sell, but nonetheless, let's open them and find out, see what we get in there. We'll save that last one card for last, but see what packs we got in here. So it looks like we got 2 dupe packs, a Pro Picks, Rookies in Future. What year is this? Okay, 2022. So maybe we got a Brock Purdy. Hey, if we get a Kenny Pickett in there, I'd love that. See what else we got? Another one of those. So we'll bust those open first. And we also got a 5-card collector edition Sage. I'll pop up the prices of all these. See if they're worth any money compared to the box. So, see what we get in these. Let's bust them open. If you guys liking this content, please like, subscribe. Link to eBay will be in the description as always. So we are starting off here. Okay, nice little rookie card. It's dinged up in the corner there, but we got a Garrett Wilson. Cool. Ohio State. It's a nice card. Jalen Tolbert. Wide receiver. Next card. Another rookie here. With the Liberty jersey, Malik Willis. Check the back out there. I don't know if these Pro Pick cards are worth anything. Here we go. Looks like another rookie. Kennedy Brooks. Cool card there. Well, these might be all rookie cards actually. Interesting. So we got a Drake London rookie. Nice, he had a good season for the Falcons. And then we have a quarterback of Peyton Thorne. Cool. Bust open this next one. Hey, we're hoping for a Kenny Pickett, you know. These are throwaway packs. I don't know how much these packs are worth compared to what the retail price of the box is. Like I said, probably throwaway packs, nothing crazy, but let you guys see what we get out of them. Oh, are these the same cards in each pack? If that is, that would suck, but these are a premier. Another Garrett Wilson. Oh, no, not the same cards, because we got a Breece Hall. It's a nice card. It's a nice card there. Got Hassan Haskins. Ooh, okay. So they have this year's rookie class in this one as well, which is very odd because we got a CJ Stroud. Cool. I don't know if that's his first card yet. Another Kennedy Brooks. And then another Premier Drake London. So those are cool cards. Let's get the Drake London to the side. That Garrett Wilson, because those were our best pulls out of those ones. Maybe the Malik Willis too, you never know. These other guys aren't gonna be anything. Let's get into this Sage pack. I'll pop the price up of this one. High series, 5 cards in here. See what we got. First card is a rookie card, Breece Hall. Nice. Another rookie card, a Grant Morgan. Cool. Jordan Davis, that's a big boy. Georgia. Cool. Danny Gray. And the last one is a Sage Next Level. I like the design on there. A Sauce Gardner. That's cool. Got this high school, his hometown. Cool. That's a nice little pull there. And now the last card is a surprise card, and it is going to be a Stedman Bailey, West Virginia card. Rams card. This is the throwback Rams. Ooh. It's a rookie card too. Nice. It has a jersey in there. I'll pop the price up of this if this is worth anything. I'm trying to see if it's numbered. Or if it's player worn. It doesn't say if it is player worn, but nonetheless it's a pretty cool card. Here we got a piece of his jersey. It's my first jersey pull card. Nice rookie Stedman Bailey. Maybe I'll pop up some high.
Gino takes the snap. Pitt rushes forward. Gino sets his feet, throws a deep ball down the middle. He's got Bailey. Bailey makes the catch. He's at the Pitt 25-yard line. Breaks free. 20. Running to the 15, 10, 5. He's in the end zone. Touchdown. Stedman Bailey.
Second and 11. Smith takes the strike downfield. Right open was Stedman Bailey. A stiff arm for good measure and a sprint to the pylon. Touchdown. Mountaineers.
Highlights of him. I believe he went to West Virginia. He was a good receiver. But nonetheless, that's the pack opening, guys. If you guys think it's worth it, let me know in the description. If you guys are buying packs, let me know as well. Let me know what kind of packs you guys are buying. Awesome, guys. Have a good day.
GrownGreen.